Are you guys struggling to move your cars about your garage easily and without having to start them up, move them forward, move them backward, move them left, move them right? Well, we have a solution for you today. KEDSUM Car Dollies reached out and they said, hey, we see you have a UTV in your garage. You want to be able to move that sucker pretty easy throughout your garage without having to start it up every single time? And I said, absolutely. So within 2 days, they sent me out some car dollies, and we're going to go ahead and give them a rip right now. So stay tuned. All right, so what's in the box? Already pre-assembled, no assembly needed, dialed. So let's give her a little rip here. All right, so we're going to throw these car dollies. They're rated for about 6,000 pounds. We're going to give them a rip on the old Can-Am right now and see what we can't do here. We already have some set up on the back of the Can-Am right there. And so now we're going to do the front end. So let's get her done. All right. Now that we got that one under there, so let's slide this one under here. Let's make sure the brakes on the tires, it's got 2 stopping brakes on the tires, are on the outside. So we'll just easily slide this right there and drop her down. All right, so now that we got her up, let's slide this right under. Let's see if it'll fit. Oop. I gotta go a little higher. Oh no. Man, look at how tall this sucker is. That's crazy. I gotta go more. Yeah, let's just see how easy it is to pull with one person here. You gotta just get a little momentum, but pretty.
Look right over those cracks. Like that.
Yeah, right. Yeah, the separation in the concrete. All right, let's put her back.
There's a heavy car.
Yeah, she's a little over 3,000 pounds, especially with all our camping stuff getting ready for the river up top. You can do it, put your back into it. So what I found, come push this corner towards the cabinet.
Nice.
Push this corner towards the cabinet.
Okay.
Push it all the way up against it. And then lock her out.
Right back here.
Yep. Boom. Lock the other one. Bam.
You can even do it.
And then do the front. Yeah, see how easy that goes now?
Yeah.
And then just lock it out. And then she won't go nowhere. Solid.
Solid.
What do you think? Pretty easy, huh?
Yeah, that'll make it way easier.
And now we have way more room to put the quads in here. See how tight she is when we pull her in? I'd have to pull her out to get to some gear in here. But now, go ahead and scoot her again.
Pulling it.
Okay. Give me some space over here. Is it pretty easy?
Yeah, it is.
It is, huh? Let's just give it a little more. And now I can get into my cabinets. Perfect. All right, put her back.
Put her back.
Yeah, it's just easier if you do this one corner.
We have the carpet. Oh, yeah.
Nope. And then push that corner. Lock her up. Nice. And that's it.
You're all through.